Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. It's time now for Beerman Discussion Live, and we talk about the second batch of 2015-2016 fixtures of the PBA season for the Commissioner's Cup is out for grabs. And I have here for this fixture, and take note, this is a reverse fixture different from the last fixture. So I read this. On Saturday at the Alonte Sports Arena in Binyan, Laguna, SMB will travel taking on Mahindra at home. Now, Friday next week will be facing Global Port Batang Pier at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on Friday, February 26. On Wednesday, March 2, we taking on Blackwater at the Inares Center, Antipolo Rizal. Then we move to Saturday, March 5, 2016. Meralco taking on San Miguel Beermen away at the Albay Superdome in Legazpi City. San Miguel taking on Rain or Shine will be on Friday, March 11, 2016 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. On Wednesday, it's a big match, the Big Red Derby against Alaska Aces at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, Wednesday, March 16. Now, after that, we go on for a 1 week break because of Holy Week, and we will return on March 27, Sunday, as we taking on Star Hotshots at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. And then it's another big match again, the South Ortigas Derby. San Miguel taking on Barangay Ginebra in the way at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on April 3. Then after that, 2 days away, San Miguel taking on NLEX at home at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on Tuesday. And Sunday, almost a week, we taking on Baracabul Phoenix at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on Sunday, April 10. And the final game, this is gonna be a big one, as we taking on Tocantex away at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on Friday, April 15. So we have early afternoon games like Mahindra, Blackwater, and Mahindra and Blackwater lang yung afternoon games. Kaya mas maaga yung games. 2 out of 11 just only afternoon games. So yun. So SMB trying to make another trophy appearance in the last 4 semifinals. So paghahanda nila itong laro na ito. Pero ang bad news doon, sa unang game, hindi makakalaro si Pardo dahil sa recovery. But there's a new import, and his name is Tyler Wilkerson. And the rest of the 3 big men like J.R. Reyes, Yancy De Ocampo, and Gabi Espinas. So, kailangan mag-focus sila sa game, pero wag namang championship hangover just like last season. Kaya para maiba na ang changes itong San Miguel Beermen. So anyway, that's it for my discussion. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Get to subscribe, share, and like on the YouTube channel, The Beerman Fan TV. Don't forget to follow us, both Twitter and Instagram at The Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.